Hello everyone, welcome to SkillWeb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to normalize audio in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So normalizing audio is a key technique to maintain consistent volume levels. Select the audio you want to normalize in the timeline. For example, we need to do some noise reduction here. Now we are gonna press G on our keyboard. It will pop up a window. Now select Normalize Max Peak to 0 dB. You can adjust it based on your needs. I want to make it a little bit quieter, so we're gonna put -1. Okay, there you go. You have normalized your video. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please like, comment and share. And don't forget to hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.